Brothers, this car has a strange issue. The owner just bought a used car. Now it only starts at night. Won't start during the day. It really scared the owner. Then he messaged me privately. Today we'll see what's going on. These are my tools. Let's try starting it first. Try again. See? It won't start. Any ideas why? Let's check the front. This has been happening for over 2 weeks now. Owner cleaned throttle, changed plugs, oil lines and pump. Spent thousands. Problem persists. He found me and asked if I could fix this tricky issue. I love challenges. He asked what if I can't fix it. I joked I'd buy his car. Actually, once you understand the problem, it's often simple to solve. It starts at night, not day. Clearly temperature related. Speaking of temperature, I suspect a part that's often overlooked in many shops. Look here. It's the carbon canister solenoid valve. Let's remove it. It's easy. No screws, just clips. We can pull it out by hand. Now unplug this tube.
Then unplug the other tube. Press this clip and unplug it, see? It's out. This valve is electronic. When on, it connects the tubes. When off, it disconnects. I suspect it's leaking when off. Let's test it. Hear that? It's leaking. That's the problem. Now that we've found the cause, the fix is simple. No need to replace it yet, saving money. Let's tap it on the ground to reset the valve. It's like when your TV couldn't get a signal. Just tap it twice and it works fine. All right, let's give it a try. See? No more leaks. Now let's put this solenoid valve back. We'll see if the car starts. It's easy to install. First, reattach these two pipes. Then connect the other end. If this valve leaks, fuel vapor enters the engine. This makes the mixture too rich, so it won't start. When it's cold at night, fuel pressure drops. That's why it starts in the evening. Finally, plug it back in. Okay, everything's installed up front. Now I'll get in and try to start it. Folks, if this fixes the problem, don't forget to give me a like and support. Now for the moment of truth. He said it wouldn't start during the day, right? Let's try it now in broad daylight. All right, watch closely. 3, 2, 1, go. It's got some power. Let's check the front. Runs perfectly. Problem solved. See how simple that was? Thanks, and please support us daily.